Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how you can set up Google Assistant in your Realme device, how you can set up, how you can just use it in this video. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe it first and like our video for more videos. So let's start. First you have to go to the Google, press home screen button, long press, and then there is a option. You have to open this page, then click on next. You can see access your assistant with Hey Google. This is a command for your Google Assistant. Whenever you say Hey Google, it will be automatically activated. First just agree this, and it will ask you to activate your voice. You have to just match your voice according to whatever Google have to say. Just press I agree, and then this page will open. Improve Google's activation technologies. Just click on this option, and when you say hey Google, play a song on YouTube,
समझ गई। ये सुनिए YouTube म्यूजिक पर YouTube पर स्टेशन।
and then you say it is in Hindi. You can change
आपका अकाउंट अब
language.
लिंक नहीं है।
You can change a language in Hindi or English. It is in Hindi. First you have to just change your language in Google Assistant. First you have an app. If you have not an app, just first you have to download it in the Play Store app. First open this app, and then hey Google, set up Google Assistant.
Okay.
And then this page appears, getting started. You have to just simply press started, and it is searches for devices. This is how you can just set up your Google Assistant voice. First you have to just take a long press and then go to settings option in your this app, and here is a hey Google and voice match. This is how you can just control your voice. First just enable this, and it asks for your set up your voice in Google Assistant. Then click on more, I agree, and then more, agree, and you have to just say this whatever Google say. ओके गूगल, कल मौसम कैसा होगा? ओके गूगल, 5 मिनट का टाइमर लगाओ. हे गूगल, कॉल करो. हे गूगल, मुझे हर सोमवार ये याद दिलाना कि पौधों में पानी देना है. Like this you can just set up here, and if you want to change language in Hindi to English, just press on next. Then this shows next, and your voice is matched here, and then you have to just go back, and here it is a settings of languages. Just click on this language option, and here is a add a language. You have to just simply English, tap on English, and Hindi you have to just cancel it, and when press back and then say hey Google, play a song on YouTube.
Got it.
And you can see friends, it speaks in English. This is how you can just set up your assistant in Realme device. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel and like our video for more videos. Thanks for watching.